You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems like not recording, sending, or playing. First, check your microphone permissions. Go to your phone settings, then apps, find WhatsApp, and ensure microphone permission is granted. Next, clear WhatsApp's cache. On Android, go to settings, then apps, find WhatsApp, tap storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, offload the app via settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Update WhatsApp to the latest version from your app store. Restart your phone. If the issue is with sending, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. For playback problems, ensure your media volume is turned up and not muted. Check if the issue is with a specific contact or all chats. It could be on their end. If voice messages are stuck as gray circles, force stop the app and reopen it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, and tap Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe the app away from the recent apps list. As a last resort, back up your chats and reinstall WhatsApp. This fixes most persistent glitches. For more simple WhatsApp troubleshooting, subscribe to the channel.